medium to understand them. So that's why a medium has been selected which is known as accounting. Now accounting, how it can perform as a medium of communication, how it can become a language of a business organization. For that, we have to understand the function of accounting. Accounting, to become a language, it should communicate the state of a business organization very clearly. For that purpose, the financial health of an organization is well expressed with the help of the accounts that is maintained by the business for the entire financial year. At a glance, if the entire financial year's information is presented in a very summarized form, then it gives the best picture of the business organization, which will ultimately help the business organization's users to use that information and understand what the position of the business is actually at that point of time. So, accounting is thus the language of a business organization. Now, moving on to another fact, that accounting is also considered as an information system. Accounting provides sufficient amount of information for its users to take important financial decisions. Now, for the businessman itself, accounting provides the required amount of information for taking loans for the purpose of development of a business organization. Now, while taking a loan, the businessman approaches the banker and then provides his financial statements and then claims for a loan. The banker checks every financial statement and then comes to the decision whether the businessman is credible to undertake a loan, and then will he be able to repay it on time. After checking all the financial statements, the banker comes to a conclusion that the credibility of the businessman is good or bad. In a similar way, if we think from the perspective of government, the government also checks the financial statements of a business entity in order to derive the decision that how much amount of tax should be calculated from that organization. So in this way, accounting also suffices as a very good information system. So here comes the end of the video, and thank you for participating in it and watching the video till the end. Thank you so much.